here we are, we're about to add some more comfrey leaves to our comfrey tube to make comfrey juice, or whatever else you want to call it really. So we're just adding the leaves to the top of this tube. Right. We then have a weight which is anything that will fit into the tube, and all that does is just one, stop it blowing out or making sure it just stays compacted. What happens is, as the comfrey gets compacted, the rain comes in to the top of the drain pipe, and we have a cut off bottle top which we've just wired on just so it's just secure, and then what we put in there is just something to catch the drips in. Once we've got enough comfrey juice, if we're not using it straight away, what we do is we add it into this container and then we use it later on. Right, now when it comes to the nettle one, it's exactly the same, except for you're going to wear gloves, which I should also mention. The leaves for the comfrey are slightly hairy, so if you have a bit of delicate skin, best to wear gloves, just in case. Same goes with the nettles. All we do is add it, stalk and leaves all together, same process, something just to hold them down, and then again another bottle top which we only wire it on because at some point we know we're going to have to clean it. So in this case, just to differentiate between this one being nettle juice, we have two different containers. The reason we keep them in tubes is simply because they smell. There's no two ways about it. It also means that what drips into here, we can either leave that and put a top on it, but they do have a bit of a pong about them unless you keep them enclosed. So this helps to stop that, because it's all encased in here. The only way the smell's coming out is through the top. Generally you don't notice it.